Hey, so I'm going to be trying out Irresistible Me hair extensions. I have tried them out before, but I'm going to attempt to keep trying them out because it takes a lot of practice, especially when you have short hair like me. I got the platinum and it wasn't as blonde as my hair is, so I did tone them. But I'm just gonna give you a little quick tutorial on how I put in my extensions and how they kind of look and how feel. They are real human hair, so you basically just take care of them the way you would take care of your own hair. You don't have to wash them every day, but if you're wearing them like every day, then like wash them like once a week. But if you're not wearing them every day, then maybe like once a month. Just depends. But yeah, use heat protectant if you're going to use any heat on them. I don't think I am. The only thing I might do is possibly straighten. But yeah. And I will come back to you when my hair is sectioned out. So my hair is sectioned out and I basically just have the nape of the neck out, and I'm going to use a 2 weft clip. I have the invisible wefts, which basically mean like this is silicone rather than sewn. It's better for like thinner hair or short hair, so basically it's just more comfortable and hides your wefts better. So that's what I have so far. So now I'm doing a 3 weft, and I just kind of went up a section in the back of my head. Okay, that's what we have so far. And then I think I'm doing the 4 weft next. Okay, so I'm just putting in the last weft that goes in the back, and that's a 3 weft. And make sure they're as tight to the head as can be. Which actually, that's the one, the last weft in the back is the one I'm always like nervous about because my hair is kind of thin. Right now it looks crazy because my hair is kind of blunt, but we're not done yet. I'm just gonna check the back and see if that's all good. Okay, so now I'm doing the 2 weft clips, and they go on the sides. And I'm just gonna do the same to the other side. This looks a little bit crazy, but it'll look better. I'm just gonna add a couple, So I actually ended up having 4 2 weft clips, so I just moved the ones that I put in down lower. And then put the second one higher. And then I'm gonna do the same to the other side. So I just want to show you like a little trick. Basically, braid your hair like the napes of the neck into 2 sections. I'm just gonna braid both sides and then basically bobby pin them together against my head, and then I'll be back. So I'm gonna take these single weft clips and just clip them behind my ears. And I'm gonna go straighten this and show you the results. Okay, also this straightener I got is by Irresistible Me. Ironically, I wasn't even thinking about that. But so far this side looks a lot better than this side. So I recommend straightening. I didn't finish this whole like back of my hair though. And then I'm just gonna do the other side and I'll be back. So this is what they look like straightened. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but on camera they kind of match better color wise, but in person like the back is really obvious because they're not exact colors, because I haven't toned my actual hair. So I'm gonna tone my actual hair and hopefully they match, because these were like freshly toned, so I need to tone my hair. But I'm not gonna show you the back because it's not good, because for some reason the color just doesn't look, maybe that's just in person, but the color doesn't match in the back, but maybe that's just in person. But I'm gonna tone my hair and match them and then it'll blend better. But that's basically it and how I do my extensions. In the description box I do have a code for Irresistible Me. I've tried some brands, and so far this is the brand that has the best quality and the best prices, and I'm not lying. But if you do use my link, you do get money off. So if you're interested, check that out, and please like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Here's like a close-up. Like some of them are peeking through, but yeah, and since I have shorter hair, I might actually need to get more extensions for like the front. But it's definitely like not bad. Like it looks good. I just have to tone my hair and then we should be good. But this is a kind of a close-up, so bye.